Good day everyone! I'm Selime M. Rolida, came from Lagunglong, Misamis Oriental.
I graduated at Tagoloan Community College, course of BSIT. I have one son and a partner. We're together since first year. My mamay and tita are my parents' guardian since I was born.
My hobby. In a day off time, my stress reliever is to going out with my co-riders, the Honda Click CDO.